gon' burn it down? Who gon' burn it down? Burn it down. Burn it down. Who gon' burn it down?
You're about to be a savage because you got this from Tina. Welcome to Shoeperfly. That's SHOEPER fly. All things Superfly in shoe form, from reviews, news, and most importantly, shoes. Each week I'll present a pair of shoes that I've either certified Shoeperfly or a don't buy. So without further ado, the Juicy Couture Women's Glisten Platform Heel Sandal is a dressy sport influenced sandalized platform heeled shoe featuring bold, eye-catching Juicy Couture logoing, influencing this year's 2000 mania, that 20-year trend cycle hold with the year that the decade of Juicy Couture, rhinestones, and low-rise pants returns, with all three having crept back into the fashion vernacular, as well as praising the pop of sunshine trend that's currently trickling down to mass brands this year. This look at me now trend-setting generation has resulted in some tried and true tactics of getting noticed. Here with one of the colors of the moment, hot pink. The Juicy Couture Women's Glisten Platform Heel Sandals, awesomely fun color and a white combo is all that's needed to get your sunshine on and parlay like you did in 2000, when one not only dared but was brave enough not to care. Want more styles such as these and then some from designers like Gucci, Coach, Nike, Moschino, and Juicy Couture, along with reviews and news? Then subscribe to my channel for notification each and every time I post. The Juicy Couture's Women's Glisten Heel Sandals, here in color pink white in a size 8.5 from Macy's.com, are a bold accent that will brighten any look with its imported features of knit construction, memory foam footbed for comfort, 4-inch stable block heel, and 1-inch platform with hook. Okay, got hooked to myself. Okay, be careful. Get hooked. With hook and loop tape closure ankle straps. Made of soft man-made material with a Juicy brand logo. And metal embellishment detail. Neoprene upper lining and TPR outsole. The Juicy Couture Glisten Heel Sandals have an open toe and memory foam footbed. Retailing for $70 at Macy's.com, and the additional colors of green, white, and black, white neoprene. The sandal can also be found on the Nordstrom's Rack website in very limited sizing in black, white neoprene for the very low price of $29.98. As well at Kohl's.com in each of the colors, including red, white neoprene and yellow, white neoprene, between $59.99 and $69.99. Now, I must be very honest and say that I was a little concerned about daring to go pink when I first saw the Glisten heel sandals, as I wasn't too sure about being that brave to go so bright. But you know me. So when they arrived, because yeah, I went for it. I went all out for it. I fell in love with the heels, edginess, yet fun, sporty style. Picturing them with maybe a daring all pink Juicy Couture ensemble, like the old school Juicy Couture velour tracksuit, or a pair of maybe just blue denim boyfriend jeans. I found them to be true to size with the straps, having a little wiggle room for added comfort, as well as comfortable to walk in. So they're definitely a winner all around, and they're definitely an eye catcher, as you can see, don't you think? So Shoeperfly, yes, they are definitely Shoeperfly, and they must buy, but so long as you wear them right? Because if you style these babies wrong, you'll have an epic fail on your hands for sure, no matter how savage your attire. So be sure and be specific when wearing the Juicy Couture Glisten heel sandals, and just don't throw them on with any kind of thing, because they'll come out looking cartoonish and cheap. And I'm not trying to have my savages out there looking bad. No, sir. Take a closer look and tell me what you think. For stands of the LA-based Juicy Couture and Italian sportswear brand Kappa, you'll be happy to know that the two have joined forces to launch a 2-drop capsule collection featuring such items as fitted tracksuits, tube tops, belted bum bags, and slides in a pastel palette of mint and blush, along with neutral offerings in a shade of black smoke. Retailing from $40 to $225 starting September 15th at Kappa.com. That's Kappa.com. The first drop is in silk satin, while the second drop will be in velour later this fall, and will only be a one-season collaboration with the daughter of Lionel Richie, Sophia Richie, serving as the campaign model. Some of you might know her better as the ex of Scott Disick from Keeping Up with the Kardashians. Hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and tap that bell so you can get a notification whenever I post. Well, until next week, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell so you can get a notification every time I post a video. Period. I'm out. Okay, wait a minute. I'm just going to do it again.